गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्।
शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम्
गजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम्
अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे।
एकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे।
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवम्
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं
निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम्
फलस्फटिकाकृतिम्
आधारं सर्वविद्यानां
आधारं सर्वविद्यानां
हयग्रीवमुपास्महे।
हयग्रीवमुपास्महे।
कृष्णं कमलपत्राक्षं
कमलपत्राक्षं
पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनं
श्रवणकीर्तनं
वासुदेवं जगद्वन्द्यं
वासुदेवं जगद्वन्द्यं
नौमि नारायणं हरिं।
नारायणं हरिं।
नौमि नारायणं हरिं।
नौमि नारायणं हरिं।
So now we recite the first slokam of the Narayaniyam, where there is the description of the Swarupam and Mahatmyam of Bhagavan Krishna. Sandranandavabodhatmakam
आनन्दावबोधात्मकम्
Anupamitam Kaladeshavadhibhyam
अनुपमितं कालदेशावधिभ्याम्
Nirmuktam Nityamuktam
मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं
Nigamashatasahasrena Nirbhasyamanam
निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम्
अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे
कष्टं दुष्टमात्रे
पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकम्
पुरुषार्थात्मकं
ब्रह्मतत्त्वम्
ब्रह्मतत्त्वं
तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात्
तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात्
गुरुभवनपुरे
गुरुपवनपुरे
हन्ता भाग्यं जनानाम्
अन्ता भाग्यं जनानाम् अन्ता भाग्यं जनानां
तत्तावद्भाति साक्षात् तत्तावद्भाति
तावद्भाति
साक्षात्
सात्
गुरुपवनपुरे
पवनपुरे
हन्ता भाग्यं जनानाम्.
अन्ता भाग्यं जनानाम्।
So we have been trying to know episode by episode the summary of the great Bhagavatam, which talks about the Bhagavan Krishna, his Janma, his role, and all that, because Vyasa Maharshi was directed by Narada. If you want to have a peace of mind, you just focus your attention, description, and describing the Mahatma of Narayana. So Vyasa Bhagavan wrote the Krishna Leela and Krishna Charitam, Krishna Katha, because Leela, Charitam, Katha, Stotram, these are all wonderful Sanskrit sabdas, which will give different aspects of the personality. And so this Krishna is very much, and by name Krishna is the attraction. He brings all people together. That we have seen in the Govardhana Parvatam. When he lifted, he made all people come underneath the Govardhana mountain and protected all Gopi Gopa from the ire of Indra. And Indra felt ashamed of the looking at the Mahat of Krishna, and then he apologized and so on. Therefore, in this actually a Purana must contain the creation also and avatars and everything. All these are the Purana Lakshanas. So in that sequence, even in this Narayaniyam, Bhagavan, that Acharya Bhattatiri is trying to follow that kind of discipline. Now we are all talking about the Hiranyaksha Vadha. So Hiranyaksha was a tough demon, and he was not living upon the earth, but he was differing in a different loka, Patala Loka. And so he wanted to fight with a real match to him, as you know, and he went on searching for XYZ, but everyone was scared and afraid. We can't fight with you. Ultimately, he went to Samudra, asked Samudra Narayana, come fight with me. Then he said, no, 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 I am not eligible to fight with you. So we have got that Bhuvarahal, or the Lakshmi Sameta Narayana is there. You just, how to make him irritated, annoyed, and all that, the best way is to do something which will hurt him very much. So he took away the Bhudevi or Bhugoda and hid it in his own loka. And one of that Saraswata Manu told him, I have no place to continue my creation. Then out of the nose of Brahmadeva, small Kita came up that became the Varaha, became big, more than mountain size, and it went on searching for the Bhu, and he found Mahavishnu in the Varaha Avatara, searched and found out that, and he was just carrying over his nose that Bhudevi, and meanwhile we have seen that Narada goes and tells Hiranyaksha, because Narada is a good enough agent, a messenger, he for good or bad to bring about Loka Kalyana. Because that's why he is called as a Narada. Narada, he is a reporter. He has always news with him. And so he met Hiranyaksha and starts talking about this. And before Hiranyaksha, though Narada is a great devotee, he scolded Narayana, said Narayana is doing all this kind of job. Why do you tolerate? Go fight and we'll finish him like that. Now we shall read the second one. Please repeat once. We'll go. We have done this the other day, I think 5-6 slokas, and from there on we'll complete today. This is the word. Samayavi Vishnu.
Samayavi Vishnuhu
Harati Bhavadiyam Vasumatim.
Harati Bhavadiyam Vasmatim
Prabho Kashtam Kashtam.
Prabho Kashtam Kashtam
Kimidamiti Tena Bhigaditaha.
Kimidamiti Tena Bhigatitaha
Nadan Kwasau Viti.
Nadan Kasau Viti
Samunina Darshita Patho.
Samunina Dartita Pado
Bhavantam Samprapta.
Bhavantam Samprapta
Samprapat.
Bhavantam Samprapat
Dharani Dharamudhyanta Mudakatu.
Dharani Dharamudhyanta Mudakatu.
So he went and told that king, hey Prabhu, what is this? What is this? Maha difficult it is. That Narayana is carrying away that Dharani, and why you are keeping quiet? Again, he will try to tickle the conscience of the Rakshasa by saying, Aho Aranyo Yamrugayiti अहो आरण्योऽयं मृगः इति
अहो आरण्यायं मृग इति
हसन्तं बहुतरैः
असन्तां बहुतरैः
दुरुक्तैः विध्यन्तम्
विरुक्तैः विद्यन्तं
दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्
दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन्
महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्राशिरसि
महिं दृष्ट्वा भ्रंष्टा सरसि
चकितां स्वेन महसा
चकितां स्वेन महसा
पयोधावाधाय
पयोधावादाय
मुदयुक्था
प्रसम प्रसममुदयन्था
मृधविधौ.
मुधविदौ.
So the fellow came, Rakshasa, looked at the person and then just went on laughing. Hey, this is only a forest animal. Aranyoyam mrugaha. He said, Narayana is taking away, but it is not human. It is just a forest animal, a wild animal. Oh, it's the wrong news that I got it. So Hasantam Bahutarai. He went on laughing that, oh, this is nothing. But later on, he recognized it is not simply the Mrugam, Aranya Mruga, but something different. So he started scolding all bad words and reprimanding. So all that is Duruktaihi, Ukti, Durukti, Sadukti, and this is what is. Sadukti is Subhashitam, Durukti is Durbhashitam, and Ukti is the Bhashitam. Well, all are Sanskrit words only. So Ukti is utterance. You remember, you are always say, Nama Uktim Vidhema. So Ukti is the utterance. Namaskara, whether you say Namaskara Ukti or otherwise Durukti, but with that Vidhyantam. Vidhyantam is almost striking, touching the sentiments. And our God Vishnu in that avatara, what did he do? Bhagavan, oh Krishna, you just neglected the son of Diti. Diti Sutam Avagnaya. You just neglected Diti Suta. And what did you do? Damstra Mahim Drishtva Sirasi Chakitam Svena Sahasa Svena Mahasa Payodha Vadhaya. So you just put it in the waters, the earth, then as if made it float and then turned back. Then he went on fighting. The war begins because he was fond of war. Hiranyaksha wanted Yuddha. And even Vishnu is also fond of Vishnu. That's why Samarapriyaha, who is Vishnu? He loves war. Samarapriyaha. And again, Samitinjayaha. In Vishnu Sahasranamam and Lakshmi Nrsimha Sahasranamam, you are going to find such compliments where Vishnu is not simply a retiring person, but he's a terrible warrior and he loves wars. Only thing is he has to get war, a matchable war. Something like the Rama Ravana Yuddha is a matching war. Again, for like Arjuna to fight with the Pandava, the Kaurava Sainya, is a Sukshatriya. Yeah, so here also you have that kind of opportunity. What did they do in next sloka? Please repeat. Gadapanau daitye
गदापाणौ दैत्ये
twamapi hi gruhitonnata gado
समपि हि गृहीतो न च गतो
niyuddhena kridan
युद्धेन क्रीडन्
ghata ghata ravodghashta viyata
घट घट रवोत्कृष्टवेता
ranalokautsukyam
गणालोकोत्सुक्यान्
Milati surasanghe dhrutamamam
Milati surasange dutamum.
nirundhyaha sandhyataha
Virundya sandhyataha.
prathamamiti dhatra jagadishe.
Pradamamiti datra jagadishe.
So when he observed that Rakshasa having the Gada Pani, Daitya, the Rakshasa, Disiputra, was having a big mace in his hand, that Gada, then our Narayana also took a Gada in his hand. They were playing with the Gada, Niyuddhena Kridan. And there was the Gada Yuddha as an inaugural fight between them. And when the two Gadas are hitting each other, what was the kind of sound coming up? Ghata Ghata Rava. Rava is sound. Shabda, Dhwani. So there was a Tanka Shabda. So what was in character, onomatopoeia, Shabdanukruti they call it. So Ghata, 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 that was the kind of sound. And and that sound is so strong and loud that it was filling up the entire cosmos, entire space. Vyat is Akasha, the space. Whatever space, Antariksha Loka is there, the sound was dominating. So such was the sound. You can imagine Ghata Ghata Shabda to come up, the mace that they carry must be very, very heavy, strong. I think you come across a news and darshan in archaeological people, when they were digging a particular place, they found down deep the earth a big maze of gold, 500 kg gold. Gada, they estimate that they suspected that to be one used by Anjaneya Swami. So that was the kind of Gada, 500 kg gold it was. And afterwards, I heard, I read the news that was found and also a photograph of it. I don't know when, long back, but later on, what happened to that, we don't know. It's all government money. Because Vitten Rupalat Bhayam, if there is no climate, if there is wealth, that will automatically go to the government, income tax department. I think so. Like that here, see the gada that they both used was Sankhi, Chakri, Cha, go. So even that Vanamali, Gadi, Sharangi. So first weapon that Narayana wields is Gadi. Yasya haste gada asit saha Gadi. Therefore, the two bases hitting. Therefore, there was a big sound. That is Yuddha Varnana in a simpler manner. See, Yuddha Varnana is one of the also characteristics of a Purana or a Kavya. So in Ramayana, you got Yuddha, in Mahabharata, you got a Yuddha, and but only Saundarya Lahari is spared. There is no war in that because it's a different Saundarya. In war, there is no scope and hope for Saundarya. It is only Virya, not Saundarya. Next, Ranaloka Utsukyan Surasanghe Amam Dhrutam Mirati. So when they come to know all the Surasanghas, Sura is God, Sangha is the association. When all the gods came to know that there was a big fight between Narayana and Rakshasa, then they all came very quick. Dhrutam means speedily, not wasting much time, because as people now run to a cinema hall just to see the beginning and even advertisements. So like that, here also it is the best. War is an entertainment. Sacrifice is an entertainment. So these are all the vinodas. And people will be waiting for the Maharaja coming onto the street in procession is an entertainment. And so, like that, Sura Sanghe Dhrutam and Amum Nirundhyaha Sandhyataha Prathamam iti dhatra jagadishe. So this fellow must be finished or rested before the evening fall. That was the Brahmadeva's Gaditam. Then please repeat twice from this. Gadonmadde tasmin
गदोर्मध्ये तस्मिन्
tava khalu gadaya gadayam diti bhuvo
तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो तव खलु गदायां दितिभुवो
gadaghatad bhumau jhatiti
गता भूमौ झटति गता भूमौ झटति
patitayam ahaha bhoho
पतिताया अहः भोः पतिताया अहः भोः
mrudusmerasyatvam
मुदुस्वेरासस्त्वं मुदुस्मेरासस्त्वं
the danuja kula nirmulanachanam
धनुजकुल निर्मूलनचनं धनुजकुल निर्मूलनचनं
mahachakram smrutva
महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा
karabhuvi dadhano
करभुवि ददानो करभुवि ददानो
ruruchishe.
चिषे रुरुचिषे.
So now the poet is speaking to Narayana or Guruvayur Krishna, trying to make him remember how he was able to tackle and how he was able to war and all that, because this is also a part of technology of stotra making. Otherwise, it is called as hymnology. Because how do you make a stotra? Stotra is a praise, to pray. So he is trying to tell that your Mahat is so great that this is what has happened. And now Gadon Marde Tasmin Tavakhalu Gadaya Gadayam Diti Bhuvaha. Diti Bhuvaha is Hiranyaksha. Bhuvaha is sun, the born out of Diti. So it's called Diti Bhuvaha. Look at the vocabulary, peculiar, special, which are being employed in the poetry by the poet. So Diti Bhuvaha Gadayam Gadonmarde Tasmin Tavakhalu. Then in that Gada Yuddha, that Rakshasa was beaten very well with the Gada. And because of Gada Ghatat Bhumo Jhatiti Patitayam. So because of the force of the Gada beatings, fell down on the ground. Ahaha. So it's Ascharya. Ahaha is an Ascharya, exclamatory mark. Then when he fell down, Narayana had a smile. Because he's not tired. Narayana was not tired when he fought with him. So Mrudusmera Asyaha Tvam. You had a smera, just a laughter. And that laughter is a mrudu, quite soft. Mrudusmera Asya is the face. So Asyaha Tvam. And what is the sentiment of this person? He wanted to, Narayana is committed to destroy the Danuja Kula. Danuja or the Rakshasas. Kula, the family. Nirmulana is destroy. Chanam. Chanam means skilled, talented. So Narayana is highly talented and committed to outwit the Danujakula because those Rakshasas are doing a lot of himsa and adharmik kriya and so on. Therefore, such people cannot be allowed to live long. Unless such people are done for, there won't be any kind of peace in the universe. Therefore, Narayana is the only capable person who can be, who is eligible or who is strong enough to do. Therefore, what did he do? Mahachakram smrutva. So he just taken up his hand, Kara Bhuvi. Kara is the hand, Bhuvi is the space. So into his hand, he just remembered the chakram, Mahachakram is the Sudarsana Chakram. And when he got the Sudarsana Chakra onto his hand, it was such a beautiful sight for us to look at Narayana with the Sudarsana Chakra Hasta. You have seen, I don't know how many people came for morning sessions. Tomorrow also is there, the final. Please come. If not, you have come. If you have come, it's good. And also the link has been placed in your WhatsApp. And Veda Ganga volume 26 is released. And those who have contributed to all of them, thanks. And then you can have a copy, e-copy for now. If you visit India, probably you can take the hard copy or you can download and all that. So here, Maha is a very happy sight. Please do not miss tomorrow. We have got wonderful people tomorrow also to speak. So Maha Chakram Karabhuvi Srutva. He wanted the Sudarshan Chakra, Maha Chakra. Maha is indicating the king because Sudarshan Chakra is said to be Chakra Raja, Ayudha Raja. Is a king of all weapons because weapons have got some directions, but circular has no direction. All points are sharp and powerful. Therefore, he just invited or invoked Mahachakram, remember, then that Chakram came and decorated. That's why, please repeat the mantra. Sudarsanaya Vidmahe.
Sudarshanaya Vidmahe.
All of you, please, two more can join. Sudarsanaya Vidmahe.
Sudarshanaya Vidmahe.
Sudarsanaya Vidmahe.
सुदर्शनाय विद्महे
Jwala Ghantaya Dhimahi.
घंटाय धीमहि
Jwala Ghantaya Dhimahi.
ज्वाला घंटाय धीमहि
Tanno Vishnu Hasta Bhushanah.
तन्नो विष्णुहस्तभूषणः
Prachodayatu.
प्रचोदयात्
Sudarsanaya Vidmahe.
सुदर्शनाय विद्महे
Jwala Ghantaya Dhimahi.
ज्वालाघण्टाय धीमहि
Tanno Vishnu Hasta Bhushanah.
तन्नो विष्णुहस्तभूषणः
Prachodayatu.
प्रचोदयात्
Sudarsanaya Vidmahe.
सुदर्शनाय विद्महे
Jwala Ghantaya Dhimahi.
बालाखण्डाय धीमहि
Tanno Vishnu Hasta Bhushanah.
तन्नो विष्णुहस्तः
Bhushanah.
भूषणः
Prachodayatu.
प्रचोदयात्
So Sudarshana Mantra, Sudarshana Ashtaka, Sudarshana, all these are highly potential, powerful, influential powers which will give you in results. Because that's Ayudha Raja, Chakra Raja, and Vishnu, and Mura Jwala Ghanta. That is all the flames, entire circumference of the Sudarshan Chakra is having the Jwala, Agni Jwalas. Therefore, nobody. So we have conducted number of times in our Kendra Sudarsana Homa, not only independent Sudarsana Homa, you will be also doing number of times in the temple. You can get it done at home. And again, Sudarsana Purvaka Narasimha Homa also is powerful. When you do all these religious things, they always have a lot of benefits for you. You going to temple and witnessing somebody doing is one aspect. When you go to temple to witness, it's a public place. When you get it done in your own house, at least once a year, some kind of homa, the cosmos of your house will get purified. All the negativity, unhappy thoughts, unhappy incidents, all that will be quelled down, and there will be absolute peace. When you walk, when visitors or you walk in our house, there should only sound absolute peace. That is the mark of the Vastu Purusha Trupti. And otherwise, people in the house are always agitated, disturbed, disappointed, depressed. We see so many people in so many houses, and you don't like to visit their houses at all. But we must visit, or we must think of our own house to be really a Manushyalaya. We have Manushyalaya, Devalaya, Pasualaya, and Pakshyalaya, like that. That's all called as ayatanas. Yopam pushpam veda pushpavan prajavan pasuman bhavati. So this is the apam pushpam like, and all that effect that yopamayatanam veda ayatanavan bhavati. That ayatana is the dwelling place, a residential quarter. What houses we build upon the earth are not temporary for us. They are not permanent residences to us. Everything we have got to live. With that Chaga Buddhi, we have to continue our own life. Therefore, mark yourself that at least once a way, you must have one or the other homa. Most important, Ganapati Atharva Sirsha Homa, Navagraha Homa, and any other of your choice. If you get it done in our house, if no Purohit comes, you can become Purohit, because you're all Vedic students, you can learn and see that it is being done. At least with the Sudarshana mantra, you can make offerings to Sudarshana Chakra. And I remember this Homa being done in our Kendra, and there was a discourse on the importance of Sudarshan Chakra. Like that, anyway, because the Sudarsana comes into the Mahachakram, Chakra Raja. And where is that? See, the word Bhuvi has been used. The hand of Narayana itself is a veritable ground. Sahasrakshaha, Sahasrahastaha, Sahasrapadaha. That's how the description of Narayana goes. In our Kendra, we conducted one full day on Narayana. Wonderful papers were there. All of them were published in one of the volumes of Vedaganga. Only you have to hit upon when I did, I don't remember the volume. Number of articles on Narayana. And if you just keep on searching, keeping in mind Narayana, the literature, there will be so much of peace in our things, and no roga can come near at all. So Karabhuvi, Bhuvi is the space, and his hand is so big that Sudarshan Chakra came and occupied. In which case, you can imagine how strong, how wide, etc. is the chakra, that it is able to have a landing and existent and workable. Something like people make telepad or aerodrome or all that to make those big vehicles to land and get parked. So that's why this our poet has employed the word bhuvi, karabhuvi. If I keep on dwelling on one sloka and the number of words, will be slow in progress. So I'm just giving you a clue that the Kavya, the Narayaniyam, and certain vocabulary employed by the poet are open for a great number of interpretations and understanding. That's why one of the rhetoricians by name Bhamaha in Sanskrit, he says that Yekaha Shabdaha Suprayuktaha Swarge Loke Kamadhuk Bhavati. If one word appropriately employed, it will yield you as much happiness and heavenly pleasure as you get in the heavens. So, Karabhuvi, and then how was he? Ruruchishe. Rochaha, rochas andre kirti. You must have heard in temples or elsewhere, Brahmins, rochano, rochamanaha. This is the word. And even Vrusha Suktam, you have seen that Rochanatva is there. And Rochana is Surya Bhagavan. And Roch is the brilliance. So he became highly shining with exuberance of the brilliance. And that is indicated by the verb Ruruchishe. You really shone forth manner in a very, very brilliant manner, or with light and luster. Then once the Sudarsana Chakra came and occupied or landed in your hand, which itself is a pad, a big pad that it is able to accommodate. Again, the war continues. Tatashulam kala pratima rushi.
Tatasolam kala pratima rushi. Tatasolam kala pratima rushi.
Daitye visrujati.
Daitye visrujati. Daitye visrujati.
Tvayi chindantyena tu.
Tvayi chindantena tu. Tvayi chindantena tu.
Karakalita chakra praharanatu.
Karakalita chakra praharanatu. Karikalita chakra praharanatu.
Samarushto mushtya saha khalu.
Samarushto mushta sakalu. Samarushto mushta sakalu.
Mushtya
Mushtya sakalu. Mushtya sakalu.
vitudam swam.
Vitudam swam. Vitudam swam.
Samatanotu.
Samatanotu. Samatanotu.
Galanmaye maya.
Galanmaye maya. Galanmaye maya.
Tvayi kila jagan mohanakarihi.
Jagan Kila Jagan Mohanakari. Sai Kila Jagan Mohanakari.
So, Rakshasas are called Yatudhanas. Yatu is black magic or magicians. So they can make a lot of magic. They disappear. In Ramayana, Indrajit, as he was fighting with Lakshmana, suddenly disappeared. Only that Vibhishana goes up and brings him back to the ground. Because a Mayavi can only know about the Maya of other Mayas. That's why here, this, what you do, Kala Pratima Rushi Shulam Daitye Visrujati Tataha. So then what to do? Dhanu Daitye upon the Rakshasa, Kala Pratima Rushe Shulam. The Shula Ayudha was thrown upon the Daitya. How is that like? It is less like Kala Pratima Rushi. Rushi is Kanti, Rushi is Kopa. So it was having that much Kanti or the Rushatva, the redness, power, just out of the Kala. Next to Twayi Chindati Enatu Karakalita Chakra Praharanat. See, And Karakalita Chakra Krahanat, because of the chakra that you have in your hand, that is being cut down. And Samarushtaha Mushtya Sakhalu Vitudam Tvam Samanad. So he came very close to you. He wanted to hit you with his fist. Mushti is a fist. Mushtya, Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachana. And so Matihi Mati Mataya. Matya Matibhyam Matibhya. So Tritiya Bhakti, here also Mushtya. With that mushti or fist, you wanted to hit. Therefore, Mushtya Sakhalu Vitudam Tvam Samatanot Galan Maye Mayaha Tvayi Kila Jagan Mohanakari. So Jagan Mohanakari Maya. The Maya is something that these people have got that will infatuate, or it will make people really moha. The whole world can be mesmerized in that manner. Therefore, Jagan Mohana Karihi. Bhavachakra Jyotishkana
Bhavichakra Jyotishkana. Bhavichakra Jyotishkana.
Lavani Patena Vidhute.
Lavani Patena Vidute. Lavani Patena Vidute.
Tato Maya Chakre.
Tato Maya Chakre. Tato Maya Chakre.
Vidata Ghana Roshanda Manasam.
Vitata Gana Roshanda Manasam. Vitata Gana Roshanda Manasam.
Garishtabhihi Mushti Prahutibihi.
Garishtabhihi Mushti Prahutibihi. Garishtabhi Mushti Prahutibihi.
Abhignantamasuram.
Nandamasuram. Nandamasuram.
Swapadangushthena.
Sapadanguштena. Sapadanguштena.
Sravana padamule.
Sravana Padamule. Sravana Padamule.
Niravadhihi.
Niravadihi. Niravadihi.
So when that Sudarshan Chakra being employed, what does the Sudarshan Chakra emit? Jyotish Kanas, the sparks of the fire. Jyoti is the fire. So fire sparks are emitted by your chakra. You know, what is the Sudarshan Chakra made up of metal? Anybody know, Amma? What is the metal with which Sudarshan Chakra is manufactured?
Gold. We don't know. Tell
I
us
think
somebody.
somebody, Kamala or Sailaja, you must have heard so many.
Gold, I think. No?
Huh?
Gold అనుకుంటానండి బంగారుతో చేశారు.
Ammo. Amele, any other proposal? No guessing.
I think it's made up of diamonds. Spurat Ratna. Ratna means diamond, right? Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Sorry.
You are telling, you are putting the question, gesture, and answer. So how can I decide? Anybody? How about Kamala ji?
No, Guruji, I don't know.
Yeah, nobody thinks of the metal with which that chakra has been made, is it not?
Yes.
We only have respect for it. It is made up of the copper.
Oh, copper.
And that chakra has been given because copper is a good conductor of electricity, is it not?
Yes. Given to Shiva, I think. Shiva gave him the
So copper, and moreover, it's very powerful, light and all. So that Sudarshan Chakra has been presented
Shiva.
by Agni.
Gives him.
Agni is fire, and so he can only give the fire-like things only. So Agnideva gave that, even similarly, Gandiva also has got that kind of power. That copper is the most precious, good conductor. Anyway, that's what I read in Bhagavatam sometime, and maybe other. So, because gold is heavy, and any other metal cannot be suitable for such kind of universal power. Therefore, anyway, so Krishna or Narayana, what did he do? And again, you must understand, Sudarshan Chakra is common to Krishna and Vishnu, but the finger with which in which the Sudarshan Chakra is worn by Vishnu, worn by Krishna, are different. You please observe and tell me what are the fingers? Which is the finger over which Krishna wears Sudarshan Chakra,
Little
and which
finger.
is the finger where Narayana wears it. Just watch. But all these points, observations have been mentioned in Bhagavatam and elsewhere, because they wanted to distinguish what is the avatara position and what is the original. Anyway, here Karakalita Chakra. So Karakalita Chakra Praharanat Tvai Chindati Enatu. When the Daitya put that Shulam, he just cut it off. And again, what did Narayana do? What did this fellow? Samarushtaha, he became extremely angry. Mushtya, with his fist, he wanted to beat him or Narayana with his fist, because that's what we call boxing or Mushti Yuddha. And he came near and wanted to do away with Narayana by virtue of his Mushtighata. Mushtighata, then Galan Maye, Maya, Tvayi Kila, I'm sorry, Mushti, then Bhavat Chakra Jyotishkana Lava Nipatena Vidhute. Jyotishkana Lava. Lava is small, the sparks. So those Jyotishkana, Jyoti is fire. So fire gives that sparklings or spark, and that fell upon him, and the fellow became very much angry. Rosha Andhaha. He was blinded by the Rosha. In the mind, he was having blinded by the Rosha. Rosha is the resultant of the Kopa, Rush. And therefore, people, you can see the blood running over the face when they are extremely angry, because that heart knows the emotions. Accordingly, it beats. So, Roshantha Manasam and Garishtabhihi Mushti Pravrtibhihi Abhignantam Asuram. So that Asura was hitting Narayana with his powerful fist forces, a number of them, Garishta. Garishta is large and more number. Then what did Narayana do as a part of defense? The Swapada Angushtena, with the Angushtha of his own pada, so the thumb finger, that to say, what he do? Sravana pada mule niravadhi. And to kill Rakshasa is not a joke. It's not easy. And the Rakshasas pranas are really powerful. And it is hard for anybody to know the weak point to make the prana of the Rakshasa get out from him. And really, it's a big problem. The number of Ayudha Prayoga may not work upon him. And different Rakshasas have been put off by different methods. The Mahishasura is one, Bandasura is one, and like that Asuras, we can have number of them. And here, in case of this Hiranyaksha, what did Narayana do? Sravana is the ear, Pada is the base, Mula. So at the base of the ear, he kicked with his finger that particular Rakshasa in a particular manner. There's a particular way how we can make the people kill. Then what happened? Look here. Hedima Mahakaya Soyam.
Mahakaya Soyam. Mahakaya Soyam.
Avacharanapata Pramathito.
Tava Kara Saroja Pramadito.
Charanapata Pramathito.
Tava Charana Saroja Pramadito.
Charanapata Pramathito.
I think some mistake. Can you repeat it?
Charanapata is hitting.
Charana.
Pramathana is being severe. Galadrakto tratu.
Galadrakto Vakratu. Galadrakto Vakratu.
Apatatu Rushibhihi.
Apata Drushibihi. Apata Rushibihi.
Slagita hatihi.
Lagita Hatihi. Lagita Hatihi.
Tada tvamuddama pramada.
Tada Tvam Muddha Pramada. Tada Tvam Muddha Pramada.
Uddama pramada.
Tattvama Muddama Pramada. Tama Muddama Pramada.
Pramada bharavidyoti jihraya.
Pramada Bara Vidyoti Hridaya. Pramada Bara Vidyoti Hridaya.
Munindra sandrabhihi.
Munindra Sandrabhihi. Munindra Sandrabhihi.
Stutibhiranu anuvan advaratanum.
Tutibiri Anuvan Daratanum. Tutibiri Anuvan Daratanum.
So, Soyam Mahakaya, this Rakshasa who is a Mahakaya. Kaya means Sarira. So he has very strong, mighty, big body. Ayam Rakshasaha Hiranyakshaha Katham Bhutaha. How was he? Mahakaya. And when he was hit at the Karnamula, then he fell down. Charanapata Pramatitaha. He was very much severed because of the fall of the foot. Just at the right point. Then what happened next? Galadraktaha. He was vomiting blood. And from Bhaktrat, from his mouth, he was floating when vomiting the blood. Then he fell down on the ground. So he vomited the blood and fell down on the ground dead. Then all rishis praising Narayana gathered there. Then tada tvam uddama pramada bhara vidyoti hrudayaha. So all of them pramada, because they are extremely happy that a Rakshasa who was giving them trouble is being done for or quelled. Then Musandrabhi Munindraha, all the great sages, Srestha Rishayaha. Indra Shabda means Srestha. So among Munis also, there are ordinary Munis, Srestha Munis. So the Srestha Munis are called as Munindraha. And what did Sandrabhi Stutibihi? They went on praising Narayana with deep sensed words and utterances. And who is this Narayana? Adhvaratanum. Adhvara is Yajna. Tanu is the Sarira. So he is Yajna Sarira. That's why in Vishnu Sahasranam, you get the Yajnango, Yajnava, Yajnaha, Yajnapatihi, Yajva, Yajamana. So all that Yajna components are in Narayana, and therefore Narayana is said to be Yajna And you know, your Yajna Narayana, Yajnavaraha Narayana. See, Varaha Avatara is specifically mentioned for the sacrifice. So Advara is Yagna, Tanu is Sarira. So the Yagna, the sacrifice, took a manifestation and as Narayana, and that is why. So we call him also Yagna Narayana. We have Narayana qualification, Yagna Narayana, Varadarayana, then Veera Narayana, Lakshmi Narayana. Oh God, he has got number of names because all are the exploits that he has done and all that they acquired. Now, Tvachichando Roma,
Chando Rama, Tvachichando Roma,
Roma Swapi Kusaganaschushighrutam,
Romastapi Kushagana Chakshushi Grutam, Romastapi Kushagana Grutam,
Chaturhotarangriyo,
Chiturhotarangro, Chiturhotarangro,
Srugapi Vadane Chodara Ida,
Srugapi Vadane Chodara Ida, Srugapi Vadane Chodara Ida,
Graha Jihvayam Te,
Graha Jihvayam Te, Graha Jihvayam Te,
Parapurusha Karne Cha Samchamasaha,
Parapurusha Karne Cha Chamasa, Parapurusha Karne Cha Chamasa,
Somo Virye,
Somo Vibho Somo Viryam, Vibho Somo Viryam,
Varada Galadesho Pipasadaha,
Varada Galadeso Pispasadaha, Varada Galadeso Pasadaha.
So Vishnu is Yajna Rupaha, Yajna Swabhavaha, and Yajno vai Vishnu, Vishnu vai Yajnaha. That is the identification. When you worship, when you perform Homa, it is a performance of respect and puja to Mahavishnu. Therefore, here you got the expression and sacrificial material and sacrificial terminology in the sloka 9. So all the 4 Avtaraha, Rigveda praise, are Vishnu's Angri and Srugapi Vadare. So Sruk is the sacrificial ladle, the wooden ladle with which ghee picked up and put to the fire. So that's why it's called Srugapi Vadane Chodara Ida. Udara, the inbox of the personality. So that inbox has to be filled. So Ida Devi is the inbox. And Graha Chihvayam Te Parapurusha Karne Cha Shamasaha Vibho Somo Virya Varada Galadeshopi Upasadaha. So this sloka contains almost all the vocabulary of the Yajurveda when you intend to do a yajna. Please repeat. Munindraihi ityadivihi. Repeat.
मुनीन्द्रैः इत्यादिः मुनीन्द्रैः इत्यादिः
Adistava Vana Mukha
आदिस्तवनमुखः
Mukhaihi Mukhaihi Moditamanaha
मुखैः मोदितमना
Mahiyasya Murtya
महीयस्या मूर्त्या
Vimalatara Kirtya Cha Vilasado
विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन्
Swadhishyam Sampraptaha
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः
Sukharasavihari Madhuripo.
सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो
Nirundhyarogam
निरुन्ध्यारोगं निरुन्ध्यारोगं
me sakalamapi vatalayapate.
मे सकलमपि वातालयपते मे सकलमपि वातालयपते.
So the last sloka, 10th one, tells you that you please stop, arrest the rogas. Let not rogas have mobility, come and trouble people. Therefore, the request, prarthana is nirundhya. So you try to stop, arrest, make them disappear. That's why nirundhya. What rogam? Roga is rujana, and it is a factor that all ills and wills and diseases to the body must be attended to. And so, rogam me sakalam api, sakalam rogam api. So all that connected to my roga, you please remove, and that's what is this one. And sakalam api vatalaya pati. Vatalaya pati is Guruvayur Krishna, and Guruvayur is also called as a Vatalaya pati. Vatalaya is a place built by Maruti or Madhu, and also, so like that, this particular thing tells you, Nirundhyad Rogam Me Sakamai Vatalaya Pate. So individually, this last sloka you can read for quick results of getting the relief. Therefore, Nirundhyat means stop. Rogam Me Nirundhyat. Whatever roga I am exposed, there should be stoppage for that. Om Swasti.
Om Swasti.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu.
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Sarvam Sri Matu Charnaravindarpanamastu. Om Tasatu.
Good. Thank you very much. So please, tomorrow, attend whatever time is
చాలా
possible.
బాగుందండి ఇవాళ ప్రోగ్రామ్ బాగుండిందండి.
వచ్చారా మీరు?
వచ్చానండి.
మేమందరం వచ్చామండి.
ఓ గ్రేట్ అమ్మా, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
మేడం గారు చాలా బాగా
మీది కృష్ణమోహన్ది చాలా బాగుంది.
మేడం గారిది కూడా బాగుందండి, నాకు చాలా నచ్చింది.
అందరివి బాగున్నాయండి. యాక్చువల్ గా మేడం గారిది ఐ థింక్ ఐ వుడ్ రేట్ దట్ as a టాప్. అంటే అందరివి బాగున్నాయండి. మోహన్ గారిది బాగుంది, అందరివి బాగున్నాయి.
బాగుండడము అన్నది వర్డ్ కరెక్ట్ కాదు అది, బట్ లూజ్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. ద వే వీ హ్యావ్ టు సే ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్లీ యాక్చువల్లీ.
It's like they all shared their knowledge, and what I feel like is like, with this conference we got more kind of exposure to our Vedic whatever is given in the hidden knowledge in the Vedas is kind of little bit enlightenment we had, but I'm sure this time is not sufficient just to have it. We should have more frequently these types of seminars or conferences to know more.
But the link has been completed, and book also is you have put link that Vedaganga. It's such a wonderful. Within less than 3 weeks, that printer has made it. We should give him kudos. 297 some such papers, and tomorrow one more book will be released. Amma Anant Lakshmi Nrsimha Sahasranamam.
Oh.
And with word by word meaning, translation and notes, and that also will be released tomorrow.
Guruji, you have translated and you compiled it, right? I mean, translated and then
sloka, I gave word by word meaning as I'm explaining to you. And also application and all, because Narasimha is Rudra. So we start Rudram with Namaskaras. We start Vishnu Sahasranama, like Lakshmi Nrsimha Sahasranama. Namaskaras. Rudra and Nrsimha are identical because they're all ferocious, and you have to cow down, make them cow down of their anger, and then only they will come. Because basically, their anger is to do good for the society, to destroy the harming elements, asocial. So tomorrow, please try to share, tell other people also. They may let them come and join. And today we are that Shashi Tiwari. She happened to be the president of the World Association, professor, and she's a wonderful scholar doing a lot of dynamic work there.
Yes.
And she agreed to come and speak. And similarly, that Lalan Prasad, who speak about the Matra Shakti.
Yes, that's also very
And
nice.
with our slides. But given the time, all people have done very well, especially Karma theory also, the doctor. Tomorrow again, you have got one more doctor to speak to you. He's a cancer specialist. So the profession is no matter. And before the knowledge of scriptures, everybody is subservient and make namaskara to that. And you look at that book, Raghava, he is a microbiologist and botanist. He tried to see a lot of, he has done something upon the Namakam, Chamakam, the botan also. So we come to know so much knowledge has been couched, hidden in the scripture, in the slokas or in the mantras by our respective rishis. And it becomes a good challenge for us to be able to explore and explain and thereby bring to light the wealth of our culture, heritage, and literature, etc. Beautiful. Om
And
Tats.
your effort in getting all these speakers, for this program or for this conference is really appreciated, Guruji, because they are, in different professions, and you had all the what do you call the interest and all the time, and you spent with them to get to this program, and then share their knowledge with all of us. That's really wonderful. We really appreciate. We not. I don't want to say appreciate. We are very, very grateful to
Thank-
you for
Thank you.
providing this kind of enlightenment to us.
Thank you, Guruji. Yes, it's good. Thank you.
On 25th, we have got also Bhagavati Gita Jayanti celebration, Zoom, same way.
Yes.
So we have got 4 speakers, and I sent the flyer also and our program. You can share with all people. Because Gita, somebody is taking on Bhagavad Gita, then Anugita and Uddhava Gita, all put together as Krishna Gitas, where Krishna is the prominent character, Upadeshakarta, etc. is there. And our knowledge, and the vistas of our knowledge, rather the horizon of our knowledge becomes widened when we listen to these topics, is it not, spoken by the person. Anyway, God is there, He's doing His service. So, and especially that is happening in America. And because of now. Otherwise, all this will happen in India only. We used to do for 25 years. We used to take one big auditorium, AC, and conduct from daybreak to morning 8:30, 9 to up to 8 o'clock, including cultural programs. So tomorrow you have got a cultural program. And Madam is playing, my son is playing, his son also is playing Mridangam. To be nice, please try to spend all time possible, and afterwards you can attend to our works. Om Swasti.
Om Swasti.
Okay, thank you. Sri Ram.